Eat. I eat lunch. I ate lunch. I will eat lunch. I am eating lunch. Go. I go to school. I went to school. I will go to school. I am going to school. Play. I play games. I played games. I will play games. I am playing games. Come. I come home. I came home. I will come home. I am coming home. Watch. I watch TV. I watched TV. I will watch TV. I am watching TV. Study. I study English. I studied English. I will study English. I am studying English. Work. I work daily. I worked daily. I will work daily. I am working daily. Drive. I drive fast. I drove fast. I will drive fast. I am driving fast. Clean. I clean my room. I cleaned my room. I will clean my room. I am cleaning my room. Cook. I cook food. I cooked food. I will cook food. I am cooking food. Sleep. I sleep early. I slept early. I will sleep early. I am sleeping early. Write. I write notes. I wrote notes. I will write notes. I am writing notes. Read. I read a book. I read a book. I will read a book. I am reading a book. Buy. I buy fruit. I bought fruit. I will buy fruit. I am buying fruit. Sell. I sell bread. I sold bread. I will sell bread. I am selling bread. Hug. I hug my mom. I hugged my mom. I will hug my mom. I am hugging my mom. Walk. I walk with her. I walked with her. I will walk with her. I am walking with her. Run. I run to school. I ran to school. I will run to school. I am running to school. Open. I open the window. I opened the window. I will open the window. I am opening the window. Learn. I learn new words. I learned new words. I will learn new words. I am learning new words. Talk. I talk to him. I talk to him. I will talk to him. I am talking to him. Wash. I wash dishes. I washed dishes. I will wash dishes. I am washing dishes. Meet. I meet my friend. I met my friend. I will meet my friend. I am meeting my friend. Start. I start my work. I started my work. I will start my work. I am starting my work. Enjoy. I enjoy sunny days. I enjoyed sunny days. I will enjoy sunny days. I am enjoying this sunny day. Wait. I wait for you. I waited for you. I will wait for you. I am waiting for you. Send. I send an email. I sent an email. I will send an email. I am sending an email. Visit. I visit London. I visited London. I will visit London. I am visiting London. Choose. I choose this one. I chose this one. I will choose this one. I am choosing this one.